So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on Startup Apps. If you see Microsoft Edge in this list, you want to disable it. So for me, I have Microsoft Edge right here. I'm going to click on it and then click on Disable. Now the status is going to be changed to Disabled. See if that works for you. For the second method, you want to head over to search again and type in Run. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to type in shell : startup and then click on Enter. If you see Microsoft Edge in this folder right here, you want to delete it from this folder. For the next method, you want to go to Microsoft Excel. Now once you're on this, you want to click on the three dots in the top right, and now you want to click on Settings. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on System and Performance. Now you want to click on System. Now once you're on this, it's going to be saying continue running background extensions and apps when Edge is closed. You just want to turn this off. See if that works. For the next method, you want to head over to search again and type in Add Remove Programs. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down until we find Microsoft Edge. You want to click on the three dots and then click on Modify. And then click on Yes. Now once you're on this, you want to click on Repair. It's now going to start repairing Microsoft Edge. Now once you repair your Microsoft Edge files, see if that fixes your problem. For the last method, just do a simple restart of your computer. Now hopefully one of these methods would have fixed your problem.